Hey guys, it's Kel coming at you with another review from the rig, where I ask the question, does it smell good? Today, we are going with Phoenix Shaving Black Bot, which is inspired by the cologne black belt of the 1960s. Check out that cool holographic label. Matching splash. Now, I paid for the set out of my own pocket. A while ago, I bought a razor on the secondary market, and I'm sorry I cannot remember who I bought it from, but they also included an unused black bot deodorant. Recently, I ran out of my own department store mass-produced deodorant. Remember, I had this, reached for it, fell in love with the scent. Now, I give you my honest opinions about what I think. Some scents I don't care for, but this one actually fell in love with it. So much so that as soon as I found out they were coming out with it again, I said I had to jump and be one of the first ones to get the set. I've also got a solid cologne coming and another deodorant stick. I don't know how long these are going to be around for, so I want to make sure I have enough to last me at least a little while. I'm really hoping that PAA will add it to their regular stock. So, I'll give a bit of a history on this, and I might confuse black bot with black belt, but hopefully you'll know where I'm coming from. And again, with my reviews, I don't read the sales page until I've already made my observations, and I definitely do not watch other reviewers until I've made my observations, and usually until after I've recorded my video. I don't want to be unduly influenced. So, again, inspired by black belt cologne of the 1960s, which was the lesser-known musk put out by the same makers of High Karate, which were inspired by the popularity of kung fu and karate movies of the time. Quoting from the PAA sales page, "Black Bot is rich and deep, shapely and bold, very much alive, and very much a mystery to be captured and kept, shared among close friends, and passed down through the generations. It is the archetypal musk of the 1960s. And when I smelled the deodorant, this is just such a classic. I'm slowly learning about musks. We'll talk about that in a second. But we'll give the scent notes on this. We're going to go with bergamot, lavender, laudanum, oak moss, cedar, tonka bean, and musk. Now, for me, again, I get classic, cool confidence. It's masculine. It's almost sensual. Spicy, woody, dark. Got some warm notes in there. I've applied the splash several times on my face and on my hand in the truck. Now, I find that when you first apply it, the notes are a bit sharper, but very quickly on the dry down, they become more rounded out, more fuller bodied, and I really like that about it. So I definitely suggest checking it out. Now, let's compare. Flip a note in my book. Now, the other very popular musk from PAA. And those of you that know will recognize the older style bottles that PAA used to have without the plastic flow reducer. And also the CK1 formula at the time. So how does Praise John from compare to Black Bot? Well, to my nose, Praise John from is brighter, it's greener, it's more fougere, if that makes sense. I almost pick up some light floral notes on this that I don't get with the Black Bot. That being said, obviously, for me, the Praise John from doesn't have those darker, spicy, woody undertones that characterize Black Bot's dry down and that help round it out. Also, I find the scent strength of the Praise John from quite much stronger than the Black Bot. Still not overwhelming, but just bear in mind that a little dab will do you when it comes to the the price John from. But I feel that this scent strength isn't as strong, so you can probably apply it a little bit more liberally and get away with it. Again, to me, just classic cool confidence. It's almost understated, and I just thoroughly enjoy this. So if this is something that you think you might be interested in, check it out. I don't know how long it'll last for. I'm hoping PA will make it part of their regular inventory, but last I'd heard it was going to be a limited thing. If nothing else, it costs, what, $1 and change to add a sample at checkout to your next order. I highly recommend it. So anyway, guys, thanks for checking out my video. Thanks for stopping in. I really appreciate it. You guys take care. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.